Kimberly. Today's video was inspired from my trips. I know how wonderful if we can try other countries' food. However, they always have exceptions. I don't want it to record my documentary how I starving to death. Okay, too much. First things I learned from spontaneous trip was cooking. Today I'm gonna to share this with you. One more thing to say. Thanks for watching. You guys are amazing. And I would like to invite you guys to join our Traveler Fun family. There are more information on Facebook page at Traveler Fun. I will leave a link down below. So good. Thank you. Oh, my stomach is crawling. Without further ado, let's cook. These are today's cooking materials. What? 10 materials to make 4 dishes. Is it possible? Of course. Here's the magic star. First dish, we need 3 spaghetti, 4 cheese, basil, 1 ham, broccoli. First, let the spaghetti boiling with water, and I also add in a pinch of salt. And then I let the broccoli boiling together with the spaghetti. Easy and efficiency. Once they are all done, I took the broccoli out and pour out most of the water. Remember, keep some water for melting cheese. Here I choose cheese slice instead of masala or parmesan. It's because cheese slice can easily go with toast and bread. They will much more easier for traveler managed cooking materials. And you can eat it anytime, everywhere, even you don't have a guest. We are almost finished. To be honest, creamy spaghetti is not the first one in my plan at the beginning, but my friends are hungry, so I decided to move it to the first. It might not really the special one, but it's really quick, simple, and delicious. Spicy powder is an optional. Here I use basil stirring paste, or if you have a fresh one, either way, your choice. And I really like plate decoration. I know I'm not good at it, but I'm trying, so don't laugh. And I gonna to make a heart shape, cause heart shape made me feel so romantic. So I decided to do it. Oh my gosh, no pecan! Don't tell anyone, shh! Anyway, it's so cute, I love it. Tortilla wrap, we need an egg, tortilla, 2 cheese, a ham, tuna. Then the buttermilk. No way! We are doing tortilla wrap while we are still using this big pot. Hey guys, we are traveling. 1 pot cook all. Keep neat in your caravan. Egg will be the first one. I always like egg. It looks like a ping pong ball rolling in the pot. So funny. I always can find a way to amuse myself while doing things. You guys are gonna get used to it. And then I place in the cheese and ham, and the last is tortilla on the top. Super easy and quick. I always like mixed flavors, so before rolling it up, I would like to have some tuna on the top. Sometimes I don't have tuna, it's still tasty if you choose the right hand. Now we can roll it up. I'm so excited, it smells so good. Here we go! Smells so good! Looks so delicious! No, I'm just watching. I won't wait for everyone. Or, maybe not. Sorry. This dish needs a potato, 2 eggs, tuna. When you guys watching I'm cutting potato, do you think I'm a really good girl? Let the potato fry and flip it over 1 or 3 times and adding some salt in it. Salty potato, always a good idea. It's the time to beat up the eggs. Fork is a bit difficult. If you have a blender, that will be a good idea. Anyway, we can still make it by fork. Here's the tuna turn, and we'll mix them. Then it's the time to mix all materials together. Most of the way to cook tortillas finish, you will need to take a potato out and mix them with eggs. But like while I'm eating, I can still see some potato and maybe a little burn. It always makes food look even more delicious. So instead of take out the potato, I pour in the mixture directly. I always like sunny eggs, so I use medium to small fire to cook it. It takes time, but I know it's worth it once I put them in my mouth. And there one more thing that you know, I prefer soft egg. So while I'm stirring up eggs, I adding some water in it. Share these tricks with you if you also a soft egg lover. Hey guys, no kidding, it smells so good. I can't wait to put on my camera. Wow, but I love you guys more, so I think I can wait. I can still see potato and some little burn. This is exactly my food, and is it soft or not? Well, I will let you know later. I'm currently busy. Please leave your message. Wow, another easyyum dish. This mixed style dishes needs broccoli, ham, and egg, mayonnaise. Sorry guys, I actually forgot to put flour into the material list. Sorry. If you saw why I'm cutting potato not touching you enough, how about cutting a broccoli? Or a ham? Watch out your finger. While you are cutting, remember to curl your finger into your palm. While done one side, I just simply rotate the cutting mat. Easy. Time to mix up all ingredients. Flour the first, and the way I measure for flour and water, I make the red mark on my box. For me, easy to measure the percentage of flour and water. And then I put some seasoning powder. You can actually get it everywhere. Just use any kind of seasoning sauce you have, like instant sauce or instant noodle seasoning powder. Actually, you can just add in anything you have. Even though you got just pepper and salt, don't worry about it. It will be tasted just alright. By the way, if your seasoning sauce is creamy or thick, then maybe dissolve them with water in advance will be a good idea. And then the percentage of water is 1.5 times of flour. Then mix them together till they are well mixed. Then put the broccoli and ham into it. It's time to cook. mixed style okonomiyaki. The best sauce for it is barbecue sauce, or you can just go with Japanese style, serve with mayonnaise. Either way or whatever you liked. We are traveler, we eat what we have. Hey guys, which one was your favorite? I really want to know, so please share your opinion with me. Let me know what I can do more.